Hi, welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to discussing about operations on real numbers. Here is an example. Check whether 7 root 5, 7 by root 5, root 2 plus 21, pi minus 2 are irrational numbers or not. Here root 5 approximately equal to 2.236 and root 2 approximately equal to 1.414 and pi approximately equal to 3.1415 etc. We know the decimal expansion of the irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Let's check, is it non-terminating, non-recurring or not. So first one, 7 root 5. 7 root 5 equal to, we know 7 into root 5 equal to 2.236 etc. 2.236 etc. Then if we multiply 2.236 into 7, we will get 15.652 etc. We will get a non-terminating, non-recurring rational number. Non-terminating, non-recurring rational number. So 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Then what about the second one? 7 by root 5. 7 by root 5. Here 7 by root 5, we can't directly substitute the value 2.236 here. So before substituting the value, you should rationalize the denominator. Here the denominator is root 5. So before substituting its decimal value, we should rationalize the denominator. How to rationalize the denominator? So to rationalize the denominator, you should multiply with what the denominator here, root 5. So root 5 into root 5, and only it becomes rationalized. So what is 7 into root 5? That is 7 root 5. And what is root 5 into root 5? That is equal to 5. Now here the denominator is a rational number. So we rationalized its denominator without changing the value. That means 7 root 5, 7 by root 5 and 7 root by 5 are also equal. And here the denominator is not an irrational number. And then we can substitute the value. 7 into what is root 5? That's equal to 2.236. 2.236 and divide by 5. If you calculate this, you will get 3.1304 etc. a non-terminating, non-decimal expansion. So this number also an irrational number. Then third one, root 2 plus 21. Root 2 plus 21. We know root 2 equal to 1.4142 etc. a non-terminating, non-decimal expansion. If you add 21 into it, you will get what is 21 plus 1, that is 22.4142 etc. a non-terminating, non-decimal expansion. So this also an irrational number. Then what about the last one, pi minus 2. Pi minus 2. Pi minus 2 equal to, we know pi equal to 3.1415, 3.1415 etc. a non-terminating, non-decimal expansion. If you subtract 2 from this, you will get what is 3 minus 2? 1. 1.1415 etc. a non-terminating, non-decimal expansion. So this is also an irrational number. So all the 4 numbers are irrational numbers. Example 13. Add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. Here is an important point. We can't add root 2 plus root 3 equal to root 5. We can't write like this, root 2 plus root 3 not equal to root 5. And if root 3 minus root 2 also not equal to root 1. These are wrong. But if it is root 3 into root 2, we can write root of 3 into 2 equal to 6. So multiplication is possible. And also if it is root 15 divided by root 5, that is also equal to root 15 by 5 equal to root 3. Okay, so we can't add root 2 and root 3, but we can add 2 root 2 and this root 2, because inside the root both are root 2. So simply root 2 means 1 root 2. So what is 2 root 2 and 1 root 2? If we add 2 root 2 and 1 root 2, we will get 3 root 2. 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 equal to 3 root 2. Then what about 5 root 3 minus 3 root 2? If we subtract, sorry, this is not 3 root 3. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. If you subtract 3 root 3 from 5 root 3, we will get 2 root 3. So the answer is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Another example, multiply 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. So first we can multiply this 6 and this 2. 6 into 2. Then we can multiply root 5 and root 5. We are already discussed root 5 into root 5 equal to root of 5 into 5. Then what is root of 5 into 5? That is root of 25, and root 25 equal to 5. So 6 into 2 equal to 12, and root 5 into root 5 equal to root 25. Then 12 into, what is root of 25? That is equal to 5. 12 into 5 equal to 60. So 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. Multiply 6 root 5 into 2 root 5 equal to 60. Another example, divide 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. Divide 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. What is 8 by 2? 8 by 2 equal to 3. And what is root 15 by root 3? Root 15 by root 3 equal to root of 15 by 3, and the root of 15 by 3 equal to root of 5. So 4 into root 5 equal to 4 root 5. So the answer is 4 root 5.